Ahmad, did you just burp?
No.
Because it smells like a burp right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, sorry.
It reeks.
Ugh.
And I think burps are worse than farts.
Why?
Because I just do. I'd stick my nose in a butthole and take a fart to the nose than a open mouth
Question.
burp into the face.
Can I give you a question?
Yeah.
Have you ever, in a bathtub,
Yes.
farted, smelled yourself?
Nah, that's not what I thought you were going to say.
Yeah, so you, okay, have you ever farted?
I thought you were going to say anything because I've done most things in a bathtub you can do.